Just did a review for the MINI GT Toyota Supra in white versus the Tomica premium version, and here's the recent MINI GT release, the Toyota Supra in Renaissance Red. This Supra in Renaissance Red body color is totally identical as the white variant. I hope MINI GT won't do a few dozen of this Supra. Although no opening parts, you have the elastic side mirror just like the rest of the MINI GT, rubber wheel set, and also the plastic insert headlights for this 164 model car. This Supra in red pairs perfect with the earlier release in white, and I believe both casting will look fantastic in diecast photography. And here's the comparison yet again with the Tomica Premium also in red. First impression, there's a stark difference between the body color between the two makers. Both casting were rose perfect, but the MINI GT has side mirror while the Tomica Premium doesn't. In terms of the rear, both are equally detailed, with the Tomica Premium a tad bigger than the MINI GT because the Premium comes in 1/62 scale. In terms of realism, I think MINI GT has slightly over the edge against the Tomica Premium version, but nevertheless, both are equally great casting to collect. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!